Hi, I'm Pete. Welcome back to MoveAdvisor. Today we're diving into something super important for anyone planning a move, the Moving Day Essentials box. So, what exactly is a Moving Day Essentials box? Well, it's your survival kit for moving day. Think of it as your go-to box filled with all the crucial items you'll need immediately before, during, and after your move. The last thing you need is to be frantically searching through random boxes for your toothbrush or your phone charger, right? Alright, let's get to the fun part. What's inside this magic box? Here's a list of must-haves for your Moving Day Essential box. First up, personal care items. You'll definitely want soap, shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, and a towel. Moving is sweaty work, so a nice shower at the end of the day is bliss. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Wet wipes are always super handy to have, so stick a pack of those in. And don't forget toilet paper. Then you're going to need a change of clothes. Something clean and comfy to wear after a nice hot shower at the end of the day. Next is any essential medications. Then pack your phone charger and a battery pack. You do not want a dead phone when you're trying to coordinate your move. It's also super handy to have a power strip, just in case a room is short on outlets in your new place. Of course, we can't forget the all-important documents. Keep your ID, lease agreement, moving contract, and any other crucial papers in a folder. Next are the little things that make a big difference. Snacks and water. Moving's hard work and you need to stay fueled and hydrated. Basic tools. A small toolkit for any unexpected fixes. Adding zip ties and gorilla tape is always a good idea. Trash bags. There's always random trash and nowhere to put it. Cleaning supplies. A couple of wipes and a small cleaning spray are really useful. Finally, your precious jewellery. Ensure that your tiara, gold and diamonds are right by your side. Jewellery should never be packed onto the removal truck. And there you have it, your ultimate Moving Day Essentials box. This little box is going to be your best friend, keeping you sane and organised during your move. Remember to label it clearly and keep it with you. Ensure that it does not get put on the moving truck. Of course, there are a ton of other things you may want to include. You may even need an essentials bag for each member of the family, or even your pets. That's your call. Just consider what is essential to have to hand before your stuff arrives at your new home, and ensure it gets packed in your essentials box. For more ideas about what to pack in your essential box, head on over to moveadvisor.com/move, where you will find a comprehensive guide with more ideas of things you may want to pack in your essentials box. Thanks for watching, and if you found this episode helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more moving tips. Happy moving, everyone, and don't forget to leave a comment with your own essentials. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy moving. Bye.